Gandhi told us that she will be removing her clothes for the 15th time if some random shit happens to some random person that we don't even care about.
भाई नहीं उतारने उसने.
So now let's take you over to Mr. Gandhi, who we have in our studio after swearing in as the Prime Minister of India. He is the only Prime Minister of India who was born after the Indian independence. Mr. Gandhi, this is the overly curious journalist at Indian TV News. Can you hear me, Mr. Gandhi? How are you going to take India to the GDP of 13 that you promised, Mr. Gandhi? You cannot just make these big blames on other parties because now your party is in power. Namo Namo Mahanamo.
और ऐसी मोदी बुरा हाल करना चाहिए.
Mr. Gandhi, now drinking tea will not solve anything because you have to answer the nation, Mr. Gandhi.
कोई ऐसा पाप कर न सके.
Did you see that? Hey, shut up, picture, shut up. Rewind the news. We have a breaking news for you right now. The news is breaking. We have breaking news. We have a breaking news here. We have a breaking. Shut up, play that tape again. Yes, we have Mr. Gandhi here. What's that an ungli that we saw by Mr. Gandhi? Mr. Gandhi, are you trying to say something by pointing your finger? Are you blaming Rahul? Are you blaming the cough syrup that could not cure Mr. Kejriwal? The nation needs to know. I need to know. Tell me, Gandhi. Tell me, Mr. Gandhi. Now we have Mr. Rahul Gandhi joining us in the studio today. Let's see what Mr. Rahul Gandhi has to say about Modi's ungli issue. Yes, Mr. Gandhi, what do you have to say about it? Ask what Congress wants. Ask what Rahul Gandhi wants. By Modi's finger, I want to say only one thing to you, Mr. Modi. Rahul Gandhi just wants to add one thing to you. Women's empowerment and RTI... You shut up, Mr. Gandhi! Shut up! No. You don't want to hear women empowerment again. You don't have anything else to add, or you just want to talk about women empowerment. I'm going to say something new. Okay, are you ready? This will be exclusive news for everyone. Rahul Gandhi will say something new. Mama will be so proud. This is ladies empowerment and he's doing ungli. This is very correct. He should do ungli to these kind of bloody idiots. Ungli, women empowerment, female empowerment, mother empowerment, sister empowerment. What the hell is empowerment? What about the country's empowerment? What about our issue? What about Mr. Gandhi's ungli issue? You can't ask me out of syllabus questions. I was not prepared for that. I don't know. Mama didn't tell me. Out of syllabus ko CBSE board mein kitab chhapwa do. Ask what Rahul. No. Girls empowerment. यार ये तो नहीं है. सोनिया झेलती कैसे इसको? And RTI in government. So now we are taking you over to one of the biggest political figures in India, Gandhi's ungli issue. Let's go over to Mr. Kejriwal from the Khas Admi Party.
देखिए जो आप भी उंगल कर रहे हैं, मैं इसके खिलाफ धरना दूंगा, इसके खिलाफ मैं अनशन पे भी जाऊंगा. इनकी प्रॉमिस वाली जनरेशन है, इसके खिलाफ ही हमने धरना देना है, इसके खिलाफ ही हमें खड़ा होना है. ओहो.
Stop coughing, sir, for 1 second and please answer my question.
ये उंगल हमें ही की जा रही है, उन लोगों के, ये बड़े आदमियों के अगेंस्ट नहीं की जा रही है, सिर्फ हम आम आदमियों के लिए की जा रही है. ये अंबानी के खिलाफ नहीं की जा रही है, ये उन टाटा बिरला के खिलाफ नहीं की जा रही है, ये सिर्फ हमारे आम आदमी के खिलाफ की जा रही है.
Making pitiful faces and making absurd comments which are not relevant.
आज उंगल कहाँ की जा रही है? नाक में की जा रही है, कान में की जा रही है, और समझ गए ना आप?
If Gandhi will sneeze, you will do action because you think that he is going to affect the whole country with SARS. This is not done, Mr. Kejriwal, I'm telling you. So now we go over to the overly sensitive, without any issue activist from Kashmir. What do you have to say?
If we see the Indian map, this state is on the top, Kashmir. This is clearly talking about Kashmir.
So if Mr. Gandhi's ungli was like this, would it mean that he's going to bomb Sikkim? Are you an idiot? Are you 10th pass? Now I believe we have one of the most influential celebrities of India. As we're talking about Gandhi Leon. Let's go up to Gandhi Leon now. Yes, Miss Gandhi Leon, what do you have to say? Miss Gandhi. No, Miss Gandhi. Why do you think that Gandhi was talking about you, Miss Gandhi?
See, Gandhi has always compared India to Sone ki chidiya, and who is baby doll mein Sone di? Who?
Bappi Lahiri is wearing more Sona than anybody in India. India's 50% Sona economy is controlled by Bappi Lahiri's purchases. So does that mean that Modi was talking about Bappi Lahiri? Why are you so possessive about Mr. Modi ungli?
Modi is actually talking about my career in Bollywood. See, he is pointing towards up, which means my Bollywood career is going to be up.
We have India's most original music composer, Mr. Ganu Galik with us. Yes, Mr. Ganu Galik, what do you have to say about this issue?
Modi is talking about my song, मेरी जान, my song. उंगली मत कर, पापा जग जाएगा.
I have heard this composition before. India's leading director, Mr. Khajiz Khan's movie had this song in it. I covered that footage because after watching that movie, 3 people committed suicide. You're not a lyricist, Mr. Ganu Galik. You are a song composer. How can you be writing lyrics when you are a song composer? Now we go over to one of the most talkative people in India, Mr. Nabol Singh Sidhu. Now, Mr. Sidhu, I want to ask you, what is your opinion? The issue here is about देश की जनता के लिए कर दिखाया है वैसी तो मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि आसमान में जितने तारे नहीं और मैं तुमको बता दूं कि 100 सोनार की 1 लोहार की हालत बिहार की जो मायावती ने 4 बार ओ ये खबरें चल पड़ी शायद. Can you give me like 30 seconds so I can talk? After that you will take the podium and then we will go for तुमको बता दूं कि 100 सोनार भाई
लंच टाइम हो गया, चलो यार आ जाओ.
हो गया लंच टाइम?
हाँ, आधा घंटा बोलते रहना इसको तो.
चल चलते इसने वैसे भी चुप नहीं होना ना. चल चले यार. आयो शीला जी लंच करके आते हैं. कॉफी पे लेके चलता हूँ. हम्मा 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 ये हम्मा. I don't know what to say. Personally, if you ask me, I think this whole Godi issue is all about finger, right? It is all about pressing that finger on the subscribe button. If you ask me, Mr. Godi was saying press that subscribe button with that ungli. That is all this ungli is being used for right now. You know, instead of doing ungli to somebody else, why don't you like do ungli on the subscribe button?